Saint Pancras, martyr. He is said to have suffered at Rome in the 14th year of his age. Having been beheaded for the faith, which he had gloriously confessed under Diocletian in the year 304, he was interred in the cemetery of Calepodius, which afterwards took his name. His old church in that place was repaired in the 5th century by Pope Symmachus, and in the 7th by Pope Honorius I. St. Gregory the Great speaks of his relics. St. Gregory of Tours calls him the Avenger of Perjuries, and says that God, by a perpetual miracle, visibly punished false oaths made before his relics. Pope Vitalian sent a portion of them to King Oswy in 656. Italy, England, France, Spain, etc., abound with churches which bear his name. See Genicin Dissa Deus Pancratio, Urbis et Ecclesiae Primariae Giacensis Patrono Titulari, in anno 1758, at Gießen, a university in Upper Hesse belonging to the Landgrave of Hesse-Darmstadt.